Ladies and gentlemen, this is a update. This motorhome is a rockin', and not in a good way. I'll tell you, we got winds out here in excess of 50 miles per. It's hell. It's bad. It's real bad. What's not tied down is now blowing across the desert. I can't stop it. I misread the weather report. Apparently the wind is going to stop tonight at 10 p.m. It started yesterday at 11 a.m. This is a wind storm. This is a desert thing. Well, I'm a prisoner here to this motorhome. I can't go anywhere. I have no internet. I have no phone. I can't contact Mad Mike and let him know that a rocket tarp, I can't get it fastened back around the rocket. It's flapping around. I'll lose an eye or something. It can't be done. The door to the cockpit, the bolts, the heads of the bolts snapped off. And when I woke up, when I went outside the motorhome, it was flapping back and forth, and it was going to tear off. The entire door to the cockpit was going to rip off the rocket and blow out across the desert, and we would never see that door again. On a day like this, and something starts blowing across it, you'll lose your hat. You'll never see it again. It'll blow across the desert forever. The wind doesn't stop. We're talking about a steady 30 miles per with 50 to 60 mile, maybe possibly 70 mile an hour guess. I haven't been able to see a weather report. I don't know. But I'm telling you, it's bad. It's real bad. It's bad. Real bad. Fuck. We got high winds out here, man. Everything's gonna get tied down. Duct tape brand duct tape, and I taped the rocket door shut. Otherwise, it would have been lost. So, quick thinking and duct tape, brand duct tape, really works. And 50, possibly 70 mile an hour winds if you want to tape down a rocket ship door. There you go. You heard it here first. King Daddy Master Channel. So, I've got some really good RC Cola and natural Mexican soda pop in my pickup, but for me to leave this motorhome and get over to my pickup and access that soda pop, I might be blowing across the fucking desert. So I'm drinking, Shasta Mountain Rush, because I bought it. I was in a pinch in Barstow, California. I had a film idea that backfired on me, and there were high winds yesterday also. And we won't go into that story. And it said Caffeine Rush, and I was right next door to the dollar store, and I couldn't leave and go anywhere else to buy the appropriate soda. And the Dollar Tree store doesn't stock anything but Shasta, so I had to buy this. I think it's huge. I think it's a 2.5 liter, and it's not as good as Mountain Dew, and it's completely flat because it's from yesterday. Yeah, I almost want to risk going to the truck. But the wind is blowing too hard right now. I don't know if you can hear it. Can you hear this? Can you hear that? That's the rocket ramp. It's it's secure. I mean, I hope. It's not moving, but I can really. It's rumbling, and the American flag, of course, fell over. I've rolled it up. It's right over here, and I'm going to dust it off and fly it proudly as soon as the wind subsides. King Daddy Master.